Can you patent a process? The answer is yes, but it's not as straightforward as you might think. Process patents are a crucial form of intellectual property protection in today's innovation-driven world. A process patent is a type of utility patent that covers methods of changing the functionality or characteristics of a material during a particular use. This can include business methods, manufacturing techniques, and even software algorithms in some cases. To be eligible for a patent, a process must meet several key requirements. First, it must be novel, meaning it's not identical to any existing methods. Second, it should be non-obvious, requiring more than just a simple progression from existing techniques. Third, the process must be useful, providing a specific and practical application. Lastly, it needs to be described in clear, detailed terms so that someone skilled in the field can replicate it. Examples of patentable processes span various industries. In manufacturing, you might patent a unique chemical synthesis method or a more efficient metal refining technique. In the tech world, software algorithms that solve specific technical problems can be patented. Even in finance, certain business methods like Amazon's one-click ordering system have received patent protection. However, patenting a process comes with its own set of challenges. One major hurdle is the disclosure requirement. To obtain a patent, you must fully describe your process, which then becomes public knowledge. This can be a double-edged sword, as it may give competitors insights into your methods. Enforcement of process patents can also be tricky. Unlike product patents, where infringement is often visible, process infringement can happen behind closed doors, making it difficult to detect and prove. Given these challenges, some companies opt for trade secret protection instead of patents. Trade secrets can protect processes indefinitely as long as they remain secret. However, they offer no protection against independent discovery or reverse engineering. In conclusion, while it is possible to patent a process, it requires careful consideration of the specific requirements, potential challenges, and alternative forms of protection. Whether you're an inventor, entrepreneur, or business leader, understanding the nuances of process patents is crucial in today's competitive landscape.